So today I have the unenviable task of cleaning this metal door down to metal. A couple of months ago, me and Harold spent a couple of days scraping lots of blue and yellow paint off it. Yesterday I got the top two, all the wet sand. It's looking pretty swish. Colours are coming out nice. Looks a lot better than that. So today I'm going to do a bit more of that, maybe a couple more. It's just so tedious and boring, it takes quite a long time, and I haven't got that much wet sandpaper left, and they don't sell it at Wickes. We only do like wood stuff, like big grain stuff as far as I can find. Oh yeah, more sanding. Harry's going to sand off the filling he did yesterday. He's going to paint that. I think it's going white, same as that, so it should look quite nice. And knowing Harry, will probably want to paint that bottom bit white as well, or at least a bit behind the water tray. I think I know him by now. I think that's what he'll do. Sort of thing he'd do. Anyway, that's what we're up to. Nice sunny day. We've got a boat. We've got an ambulance. We've got a camper van. Maybe do a bit more work on that this week if the wind drops down a bit. Got plenty of spray paint. Do the back door. Looking good. Keeping busy. Hope you all are. Stay safe and stay motherfuckers.